David Beckham, a sporting icon and cultural phenomenon. In the world of sports and celebrity culture, few names resonate as strongly as David Beckham. Renowned for his exceptional talent on the football field, his impeccable sense of style, and his philanthropic endeavors, Beckham has transcended the realm of athletics to become a global icon and cultural phenomenon. Early life and football career. Born on May 2, 1975, in Leytonstone, London, David Beckham discovered his love for football at a young age. His prodigious talent was evident from the outset, and he quickly rose through the ranks of youth football before making his professional debut for Manchester United in 1992. Beckham's time at Manchester United proved to be the launching pad for his illustrious career. During his tenure at the club, he won numerous domestic and international titles, including 6 Premier League titles, 2 FA Cups, and the UEFA Champions League. His precision passing, deadly free kicks, and unparalleled work ethic endeared him to fans around the world and solidified his reputation as one of the greatest footballers of his generation. Global stardom. Beyond his achievements on the pitch, David Beckham's charisma and marketability catapulted him to global stardom. With his chiseled good looks, distinctive hairstyles, and impeccable fashion sense, he became a fixture in the world of celebrity culture, gracing the covers of magazines, starring in advertising campaigns, and attending high-profile events alongside his wife, Victoria Beckham, a former member of the Spice Girls. Beckham's influence extended beyond the realm of sports and entertainment, as he became a cultural ambassador for football and a role model for aspiring athletes around the world. His impact on popular culture was so profound that he earned the nickname Golden Balls, a testament to his status as a living legend in the eyes of fans and admirers. Philanthropy and humanitarian work. In addition to his sporting and entrepreneurial pursuits, David Beckham has been actively involved in philanthropy and humanitarian work. He has served as a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador since 2005, using his platform to raise awareness about issues such as children's rights, HIV/AIDS prevention, and disaster relief efforts. Beckham's charitable endeavors have taken him to some of the world's most impoverished regions, where he has witnessed firsthand the impact of poverty and inequality on children and families. Through his advocacy and fundraising efforts, he has helped to improve the lives of countless individuals and communities, demonstrating his commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Legacy and influence. As David Beckham's playing career drew to a close, his legacy as a sporting icon and cultural icon only continued to grow. Beyond his achievements on the football field, he remains a symbol of perseverance, dedication, and excellence, inspiring millions of people to pursue their dreams and make a difference in the world. Today, David Beckham's influence extends far beyond the world of sports, as he continues to leverage his fame and fortune to create positive change and leave a lasting impact on society. Whether as a football ambassador, a fashion icon, or a philanthropist, Beckham's legacy is defined by his unwavering commitment to excellence and his enduring dedication to making the world a better place for future generations.